Is your Chevy Traverse rear air conditioning blowing hot or not at all? Let's troubleshoot the system in under 3 minutes. Statistically, the most common culprit for rear climate issues in these SUVs is a failed blend door actuator. Before you visit a shop, we need to isolate whether this is an airflow problem or a cooling problem. Start by checking your interior fuse panel, then listen for clicking, which indicates a motor trying to cycle. These three components are responsible for nearly every rear climate failure we see in the Traverse. If the front works but the rear is warm, you might have a refrigerant leak specifically in the rear lines. Simple electrical items are easy to DIY, but refrigerant work requires specialized equipment and safety gear. Repair costs vary wildly, so always start with the cheapest electrical components before suspecting the AC lines. If you have a scan tool, use it to pull HVAC codes. It will often tell you exactly which door is stuck. You do not need a professional garage to fix this, just a basic set of plastic trim tools and sockets. A quick reminder, if you suspect a refrigerant leak, please leave that to the professionals to avoid environmental and safety risks. If this guide helped you get your cool air back, hit that subscribe button for more Traverse troubleshooting tips.